rice or veal cucumber rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the non-veg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef recipes and one of the most unique of the veal recipes and one of the most delicious of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most tastiest of the cucumber recipes and one of the most unique of the pilaf recipes. Today we are going to make beef cucumber rice. And dry it out. Now put in the beef into the pressure cooker. Put in salt to taste. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Mix that in. Now pour in 300 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 30 minutes in the pressure cooker. The ingredients are around 35 shallots, 2 green chilies, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 100 grams of cucumber cut into small pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now put in the shallots. Until the shallots reach their pinkish color. Now put in the ginger, salt, garlic, now put in the garlic, salt, salted garlic and the ginger, shallots, keep on sauteing. Put in the green chili, salt, salted garlic and the ginger with the green chili. Now put in the tomato pieces. Salt, put in salt to taste. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in 2 2 spoons of mixture of spices. Mix that a bit. Put in the cucumber pieces. Mix. Cover the mix. Now pour in the cooked beef pieces with the broth that we cooked earlier and mix thoroughly. And let this mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. Add water if necessary. After cooking for the required time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let the mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 14 minutes. Now the beef cucumber rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final beef cucumber rice or veal cucumber rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the non-veg recipes and one of the most unique of the beef recipes and one of the most different of the veal recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cucumber recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most tastiest of the fried rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.